Hello and welcome. Today we will walk you through the process on how to register for your technical support community account. From the login page, click Register here. The page will prompt you to enter your company email address. Do so, and then click Next to continue. You will then be taken to this registration form. Here you will want to enter your company information. Start with your company name. Your company website is optional. Enter your company phone number, your company partner type, your company's street address, your company's city, your company country, your company's state or province, and your company's zip or postal code. After that, you will want to enter user information. Start with your first name, your last name, your company email address is already populated. Enter your phone number, your mobile phone number, your job title, and your job function. You will then be asked to submit your address, or you can use the company information you listed above by clicking this button. After that, accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. And congratulations, you have successfully registered. Please keep an eye on your inbox for your login credentials. Click Close to navigate away from this page, and you are all done.